लोकसभा वेंचणुकेच्या प्रचाराची बुनियादी फातर म्हणून भारतीय युवा काँग्रेस बेहतर भारत की बुनियाद ही कार्यावळ सुरू करतले। जुलयाच्या 10 ते 12 मजगती ही परिषद बंगळुरा चालू जातली आणि देशभरातल्या लोकांनी ह्या परिषदेत वांटेकार जावचे अशें आवाहन गोंय प्रदेश युवा काँग्रेसीन केला। वाढती बेरोजगारी आणि भाजपान चलिल्ले सांप्रदायिक राजकारणाचेर आवाज काढून लोकांमदी जागृताय करपा खातीर ह्या कार्यावळीचो हो हेत आसा अशें म्हणीत युवा काँग्रेसीच्या वावुरप्यांनी उलो मारला।
And we're here to announce a new launch to a movement which is Behtar Bharat Ki Bunyad, which is happening on the 10th, 11th and 12th in Bangalore. The main idea of the Behtar Bharat Bunyad that the Youth Congress across India is organizing is to create a Behtar Bharat, which is a better India. The India that we are facing right now is being faced with a lot of unemployment, communal issues, and to tackle all this we are coming to one platform in Bangalore. So on 10th, 11th and 12th, people across India, this will be the biggest conference of the youth of the country that will come together to understand the problems that India is facing today. We need a strong bunyad. For a better country, we need a strong bunyad, a strong foundation. And for a strong foundation, the Youth Congress will come together with all the youth and organize this. Prior to this, we'll have local discussions in Goa, and all the representatives of the Youth Congress will be going to Bangalore to understand and solve the issues of the entire country.
Our country is facing a very challenging time. Economic, social, political, all these issues we have been facing for a long time now. We talk about unemployment, we talk about inflation, we talk about the politics of hate, the politics of division. We have been facing all of this for a long time now. The youth of this country want all of this to change. During this conference, we will discuss what issues we need to take in a bigger way, exchange ideas and our vision for our India moving forward.